The ultimate in smart home automation is to have sensors in your seat cushions that turns on the reading lamp next to your chair. When I sit in my chairs, the lamps go on next to the chairs. I get out of the chairs and the lamps go off. How do I do this? This is done by using seat cushion sensors that are from the passenger seat of cars. You can buy these at Amazon for $6. When I press this little carbon contact, it turns on the lamp. I'm going to be installing this new seat cushion sensor into the bottom of this chair. So I have a box of HomeSeer leak sensors, HomeSeer, and I snip off the end of the sensor cushion that's here. It's just a contact closure, and the closure is what this sensor is looking for. It's going to transmit the closure to HomeSeer. Number 68. When I press the carbon button here, you can see that it says OK and water detected. In this case, it's weight detected on the seat cushion sensor. When the sensor is pressed, we want an if statement, then statement. We go up to HomeSeer, and I have a statement that says lights, living room lamp on, east chair. If node 68 chair occupied sensor 2, southeast chair occupied changes and becomes water detected, then set device node 10 lamp living room to on, and that's going to send an RF message to the little box that that lamp is plugged into. The lamp will turn on. Enjoy your smart home.